Hello, folks. This is John Najarian. It is Halloween, and I'm down in New Orleans because where else would I be on Halloween? It's a fabulous place to be anytime, but in particular for Halloween. So I've got three at three for you, and I'm going to kick it off. Unusual activity today, Halloween 2023 with WDC. WDC is Western Digital. There you see it. Thank you, John. Bullish call buying. They bought 13,800 of the February 50 calls with the stock at 40. Now, you guys that have been with us a while know I don't buy way out of the money calls. I buy calls that are at the money. So I would be a buyer of the Feb 40 calls and a seller of upside calls against them. There's not a lot of time decay in a February option, of course. Second trade, folks, BMY, which is, as my friend Jim Cramer would say, Bristol Myers. Bristol Myers, bullish combo. What they did was they bought the April 60 calls and they sold puts at the April 50 strike. The stock is at 51 bucks roughly. So 60 calls too far out of the money. 50 puts right at the money. So basically, you're putting this thing on for nothing. You're buying those upside calls for 55 cents and you're collecting almost $2.70. So obviously, you're collecting a big fat credit for this, but your risk is stock goes down below 50. Stock goes the upside, you're a very happy camper because those puts are worthless and the calls go up in value. But that is the second trade. Long calls, short puts. The third and final for today is Dash, which is DASH. And in Dash, this is a bullish trade. Stock is $75. They're buying the November, this week, November, 82 calls, mostly for about 81 cents. Now, what you need to know is that you only have you have 3 more full trading days to be right on this trade. So all the more reason that I am not buying the 82s with the stock at 75, buying the 75s and selling upside calls as we rally even just a little to basically cut down on time decay. And so I have less capital on the line. So that's it for us today, folks. Thank you for joining me from New Orleans. This is John Najarian saying make sure you check out marketrebellion.com/get started. That's marketrebellion.com/get started. And have a great day and a happy Halloween.